Okay, 4 pieces of, what is it called again, Jacob?
No.
Recovery wadding.
Recovery wadding.
Okay, we fold this parachute down, the recovery parachute. We put it into
The rocket.
into the rocket body. And we push it in loosely, not too tight.
Now they're looking at the football. I think keep them.
In, okay, all the way hard.
Awesome!
Okay, I'll hold the key for you, okay? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the button. Push the button.